Noswaith dda pawb yn nos ferchar, ac heddiw, da ni am adio mwy tuag 2 fideo dwytha. Okay? So, da ni am adio dim bach mwy i'r sgwrs bob diwrnod, a wedyn ar ôl wsos, da ni am adio fo gyd i gilydd. Okay? So, mae hwn yn enghraifft fe fyddech chi medru gael sgwrs yn Cymraeg. Ella, newch chi ddim gael hwn, ond os da chi siarad Cymraeg, mae rhywbeth fel yma da chi am gael, oherwydd mae o'n sgwrs Cymraeg i cyfarfod rhywun, neu, cyfarfod rhywun. So, byddwn ni am adio i fo yw, dim ddrwg diolch, be da chi di bod fyny i. Good evening everyone, it is Wednesday and today we're just going to add a little bit more to the conversation we started. So if you don't know what I'm on about, I suggest going and watching the last 2 videos. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit every day to that conversation. And then by the end of the week or after a week of doing it, we're going to add it all together in one video. So this is an example of a Welsh conversation you would have. Okay, and the translation today is a translation of not bad thank you, what have you been up to? Okay, so not bad thank you, what have you been up to in Welsh is dim ddrwg diolch, be da chi di bod fyny i.